Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how I made my Beetlejuice soap. So for the first layer of my soap, it's going to be black. So I am adding some activated charcoal powder to the batter to make it black. And then I'm pouring this into my mold. My next layer is going to be white. So this time I'm adding some white colorant and mixing that up and pouring this over the black layer after the black layer had set up. I then alternate between the black and the white several times until I have filled my mold. The fragrance I'm using for this soap is called Dragon's Blood. It's warming notes of amber, incense, Madagascar vanilla, and patchouli. And you guys know I'm not a big fan of patchouli, but this fragrance does smell really good. And it's very popular with men. Men love this fragrance. So several hours later, after all of my layers had finished setting, I'm using this new scraper tool to scrape the very top of my soap. And this is going to create a design in the top of my soap to kind of look like drips. Next, I mixed up some green soap batter and I am pouring that over the top of my mold, and it's going to get into those drip grooves. And then I'm just tapping the mold to make sure that there's no air bubbles. Next, I'm adding those eyeballs that I made yesterday from cold processed soap dough. And I'm putting 2 eyeballs on each bar. And this is what my soap looked like after I had finished pouring it. The next day, it was time to unmold and cut my soap. And these are what the bars look like. And I have to say, they turned out better than I had anticipated. So I was really happy. I love how the green, you see the green drips throughout the first couple layers of the soap. The black and white layers represent Beetlejuice's clothes, of course. The green represents his hair. And the eyeballs, because there's so many eyeballs in that movie, but my favorite eyeball character is the shrunken head guy in the waiting room. That character always cracks me up. So these are the eyeballs from that. And then I felt like they needed one final touch. So here I am stamping something on the front of the soap. And it says Beetlejuice, just in case there was any question. So this is my final soap. So these are headed to my curing rack for the next 4 weeks, and I am going to turn them facing the other direction so those eyeballs are not staring at me for 4 weeks. And if you'd like to pick up one of these are available right now on pre-order, and they will start shipping the week of August 22nd. Thanks so much for watching.